Hey, this is Mike, and today's stock of the day is AutoZone. It trades on the NYSE under symbol AZO. Yesterday, it was up 2.26% in a day when just about everything took a beating. You take a look over the past 5 days, AutoZone has been doing really well, and then over the past 5 months, it's really been on fire, moving from 1160 up to 1353. The stock is pretty close to its 52-week high. The 52-week high on AutoZone is 1663, so it's pretty much at its 52-week high. The market cap on AutoZone is a little under $30 billion with a great PE ratio of 17.15. So AutoZone is one of the largest retailer of aftermarket automotive parts. They have over 6,400 stores across the United States, Mexico, Brazil, Puerto Rico. Just about everywhere there's probably an AutoZone in your neighborhood. Now, I think there's a couple of reasons why AutoZone is doing really well. We have a lot of kind of instability in the markets right now, so people are going to a flight to quality. So a company like AutoZone is a great, strong brand. A lot of people buy auto parts, so they're going to do really well. So that's why they're near their 52-week high. Also, you see it's broken out of this sort of trading range here. And the one thing you'll learn that when you trade stocks, when you see a company, a stock that's been in a trading range for a long time and it suddenly breaks out, it tends to have a more sustained breakout. Let me just show you here, for instance, you look at Tesla stock, you go back over a 5-year chart. This stock, it's kind of hard to tell here, but Tesla was doing nothing for about 3 or 4 years, and when it finally broke out, it broke out really, really big. So I expect with AutoZone that this breakout is going to be a sustained breakout that could probably last until the end of the year. So how high can it go? Well, I would say looking at this is a 1-year chart of AutoZone. It would not surprise me if you get maybe another 20 to 30% move upward, especially if the market continues to be volatile. If the market continues to be volatile, the play is going to be commodities and very strong businesses that have, strong cash coming in. So that's why I like AutoZone. Now, you take a look at their last earnings, which was reported on March 2nd. They had same-store sales increase of 15.2% and an EPS increase up to $14.93. During their second quarter earnings, they had net sales of $2.9 billion. An increase of 15.8% from the second quarter of fiscal 2020. So that's just, a year ago, a 15.8% increase. The gross profit was 53.6%. This was a decrease of 77 basis points versus the prior year. This was due to supply chain cost pricing initiatives, accelerated loyalty programs. So basically, they were just paying to keep customers coming in. Probably during the pandemic year, it's probably challenging to get people through the door. But their operating profit did increase over 18% to $481 million. Now, another reason why I think also is going to do well is that when those stimulus checks come in, stimulus checks are being given to people who make less than $100,000, and probably a lot of them are like, hey, I might as well get that new part for my car I've been putting off. If it's like a new fuel pump, a new alternator, new battery, new tires, then you go to AutoZone and you get those. So I think there's a lot of great things going for AutoZone. And like I said, what's especially intriguing is that it's been in this trading range for a long time, and now it's suddenly breaking out. And when this happens, you tend to get a really nice sustained breakout. It's almost like a rubber band that's under tension, and it finally just takes off. So if you're looking for something that looks safe, or if if you've been playing around with a lot of small cap stocks and you're just looking for something with a little more stability, take a look at this stock. Great PE ratio, right at its 52-week high. Breakout out of the long trend range. Great brand. Check out AutoZone. Trades on the NYSE on symbol AZO. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, stock trading strategies, and market updates. Thanks a lot. Bye.